This is how I do my preparation jam. Ang dili ka ayo kapoy the day nga mag-celebrate ka. Everything has to be prepared ahead of time. Ang mga ingredients, sibuyas, para lumpia, para ang palaya, para munggos, kining luya. And then this is my chop suey. Chop suey na ingredients, munggo, quail egg. And here's the tofu para sa akong vegetarian chop suey. And all of this will have to be blanched. So, andam na tanan nga nagkuan himo ko og strawberry lemon. Last week pa nila gihimo juice. So ako na nang gito para inig ka alas 4 ready na siya. Punch bowl akong gamiton. This is my punch bowl. Kuha na ko sa thrift store and muna ang mga gagmating nila. Kuan. So everything is ready. Ready na atong kuan. Nagluto ko mani para sa imo. May kay jam. So kuan sa na niya for the soup. Magmunggos ko og soup and then ko'y beef nga giluto sad. Dala akong munggos ako laning timplahan. Kuan ako tunuan and then pakoy magkuan pa ko mag egg roll and na ang cake. Hindi mapud ni sa agaw ni Bob yung gihatag na ko as birthday cake na ko. Lami kay na that is a hummingbird cake. I think we should tell thinking to make a hummingbird cake. And these are my ingredients. Already also para sa lumpia, fried lumpia. Makuha ni siya kining murag Vietnamese fried lumpia. Okay. And then here's my chicken. This was marinated 3 days ago. These are chicken legs. Ako ning deep fry niya pinakagumkum. So everything is ready. So kuan lang gid a matter of management and time. Preparing everything before, a week before of mahimo. Okay, I think everything. Oh, I still have my palaya. I know, they are ganahan. But they love this, mga babae nga Adventista. Okay, I'll show you after everything has been done. I'll show you the finished product. Okay, over and out. I slept 12 o'clock and I'm awake at 5. So, kaya dinhiraman ko sa sud mag-party. Ako lang yung punan og lamesa diri sa office. Dinhin na lang ang uban. I cannot be in the garden outside kaya pagkainit. Dili mahimo. Gabi na 4 o'clock. Init nga tutok. And ako katong pang limpyuhan ang mga siya. And this is my basket of blessings. In Exod nila, they'll write up what blessings they have had, the last week or, in their lives. And then we're gonna read all that later on. I'll call this the basket of blessings. Akong paswaton sila diha. And that's it. Over and out.